What is up, Boobie Goaters? Get all this old nasty chicken poo out. I'm gonna put it in my garden. I know, because it needs it. It needs the soil. It needs the chicken poo. It needs something, and that's what I'm doing today. Love them Scoobies. I don't know where I was going with that. I never know what I'm going with anything. But I'm going to clean all the poo out, and then I'm going to add fresh straw in here. And I have a bunch of old tires, and I'm going to use them as layer boxes, probably around there or back along the wall. I got a lot to do, so enjoy. So I'm actually getting ready to plant my garlic. I know everybody was like, plant your garlic now, plant your garlic now, like a month ago. But I'm slow to the races. So I know I need to amend. So I'm going to amend, and then we're going to plant some garlic. You know, I might not have a big fancy coop with all the things I need, but the chickens are happy, healthy, and they get to free range. I don't know, I wanted to show, like, real life stuff. This is gonna be good for my little garlic thing because, some broken down wood chips. I actually had a wood chip hookup once. It was awesome. Ooh, some really good stuff. Found some really dark soil. Now I'm going to go dump this onto the garden and find a place to put it. I have to decide where I want to plant my garlic. And I'm thinking I want to plant it behind me and have the boxes I put down in between the rows. And I also want to cut down some of this, so I'm going to do that now. Alright, so we're going to do safety first. It's really sunny right here. Let me see if I can find a better spot. I got a lot of cardboard and stuff in the garden and newspapers. I'm trying to get the kids to help me cover everything up. Carried away and got a bunch of stuff on me. I cut it down. So I have these rows that are vertical this way, and what I'm going to do is put the chicken fodder mess on it. Then I'm going to put hay on top of it to cover it up from bugs or whatever, chickens. And then I'm going to put this chicken net around it to protect it from chickens. So we'll see how this garlic goes, maybe in July. Tune into them. The other side of my chicken coop, the stuff wasn't broken down as well, and it was more anaerobic than the good stuff. I don't know. I don't teach anything. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a doer. So what I've decided to do is just use what I have from that to amend the soil. So I'm going to do that to protect it, and we'll see. Okay, well, let me get on that. I bought the wrong chicken netting. I bought the 50-foot, and I obviously needed like the 300-foot.
What's up, Boobie Goaters? Fast start to get to wood. I'll film it all.
So this is sort of an experiment, but we got this at Kroger's. Their garlic for $2. We're gonna put it in the ground, aren't we, Flash?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
What is up, Boobie Goaters? It's the next day, and we are planting our garlic. Isn't it nice? It's cute. There's Emmett. He's helping. You want to show him? Put it up there. That's Emmett's garlic. So you peel the garlic, and then you peel the little clove. It's called a clove. And then we're going to put it in the ground with my shovel.
Oh.
And we're going to we have a lot of cloves. So each one of these cloves is going to give us a really nice, beautiful garlic. So we're going to put them deep in the ground and we'll cover them up.
Mommy.
And the bottom part right here is what we're going to plant in the ground and have this part sticking up. It's pretty easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You don't need to peel them completely off. They just have to stick up. And we're going to plant them a few inches apart. I don't know. I'm the garlic master. I just know how to do it because I did it last year.
Mommy, I want to get my
Did you get one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me dig you a hole. Put it right there. Now you want to put this side, the fat side down, and that side up. Now we're going to cover it up.
No, I want to cover up my cup.
I know. I just have a problem of always wanting to help you.
Mommy, I take a cup.
It goes here. I'm guessing it's some kind of purple variety because they're purple, and I'm totally guessing that they're soft neck, and I'm pretty sure they are. Do you want me to peel these? I got a whole bunch. This is what I call fizzy water, seltzer water. Kids love it. Kroger has the best deal. There you go, Boobie. Yep, put it in the hole. Get the dirt on it. Get all that nice soil Mommy put on there on top. There you go. Cover it up. And then put the straw on top. And I think we need to open some more. I think one of these are only going to fill one big thing. Yes, honey. Here's a big one. That'll do a bunch. Oink, oink. All right, let's... Trying to get better angles. I know a lot of people say that if you just buy the store-bought ones, it's not going to grow. That's a lie. I've tried it several times and they do grow. Cover that up. We're over here. You want to plant here. Big holes here. Hey, baby. Garlic. Come on, you're a little boy. You like to dig holes. I thought it'd be a good idea to keep my shovels out here, and I lost them. I lost them out, and they're in the garden, but they're just lost. These are little cloves. I don't know if they're gonna bolt or go any bigger. Where'd it go? Oh, you kicked it.
Don't kick that one out.
All right, let's cover them up with some dirt. Here, you continue. Let me see if there's somebody out there.
No. Oh, the rock. I see you. Okay, mommy. Mommy, okay.
My garden grows rocks.
Are you telling me?
So as in all projects that I'm trying to do, I severely underestimated how much garlic I needed because I have a whole nother bed and then some. So I think I will choose a different garlic for the other side. That'd be cool. I think, you know, Walmart has like elephant garlic and stuff. So Emmett, don't bite the electric fence. It's not hooked up. Still, bad habit. So what I didn't record yesterday is that I spread all the good soil that I got from my chicken coop and put straw on top of it to protect it from weeds and chickens, but we'll see. I've got 2 hens that were watching us the whole time, and I think they're deciding on how to get in here.